Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is the place where we stopped in the yesterday's class. Yesterday's class, we stopped here. Let me know. Is audio video okay? We stopped yesterday's class here, right? Intersection and all. Right? Let's move to today's class next problem. Today's class next problem. What is the date today? Can you check what is yesterday's date? Let me see the date, yesterday's date. Let me check one time. What is the yesterday's date? Yeah, 12. Yesterday is 12. Today is 13. Right? Today is 13. So I am writing 13. So 13, 5, 26. 13, 5, 26. So this problem is interesting. Can you see this one time? Right. C1 is equal to, this problem is interesting. C1 is equal to learn, comma, quit some strings. Quit, practice, practice, contribute. Contribute. C2 is equal to C2 is equal to C1. And one more. C3 is equal to C3 is equal to C1, like this. So remember everyone, if anyone don't know, this is shallow copying. This is shallow copy. If anyone deep copy, shallow copy we discussed already. So this is the shallow copy. Everyone know this. This is the exact copy. This is exact. Means exact means both will share the same address. Shallow copy means different copy will be created. Right? But you know difference between shallow copy and deep copy. There is a difference. We already discussed in the list data structure. We are already discussing in the list data structure. Please be careful. So until now everything is fine. Now see this one. Print 1 comma C1. Print 2 comma C2. Print 3 comma C3. Print 4 comma ID of C1. Print 5 comma ID of C2. Print, then print is there, yeah. Print 6 comma ID of C3. Something like that. Now afterwards some more code also there. That is the purpose of this problem. Little more code is there. Can you see that also? Can you see this also? Can you see this also? C2 of 0 is equal to code. Next one, C3 of 1 is equal to C3 of 1 is equal to C3 of 1 is equal to MCQ. MCQ. Count is equal to 0. Count is equal to 0. Now afterwards print 7 C1. Print 8 C2. So I am writing here, lack of space, I am writing here, print 9 comma C3. That's fine, till now it's fine. Now see this one, for C in, for C in, C1 comma C2 comma C3 colon. Remember the for loop syntax. So whatever you write inside for, let's go little inside for. So if C of 0 is equal to code, again here also colon inside, if remember, again right, indentation will start, print, print 10 comma C of 0, afterwards count is equal to somewhere we written count, right? Count is 0, somewhere count is 0, this is count. If you want you can write C also, no objection. If you want you can write C also, no objection. Let's write C. C is equal to 0, right? Previously C is equal to 0, now C is equal to C plus 1. C is equal to C plus 1. Okay, fine, till now fine. Now suppose that is fail, inside for only, if C of 1 is equal to MCQ, so same inside if, then what you should do, print 11 comma C of 1, C is equal to C plus 10. Next one, print 12 comma count, print 12 comma count, right? This is the program. Can you try this? It's a nice program. Can you try this one time? Everyone, I request everyone, please try. This is the starting of the problem. Anything is there, please learn. And those people who are watching, if you like anything, please comment. I liked this point very much. If you are not understanding, comment in the comment section. Sir, I didn't get this one. That is the purpose of live class. Live class purpose is, if you have doubt, you can ask. That is the purpose of live class. Live class purpose is, if you have doubt, you can ask. If you keep quiet, how it is a live class? Right? You liked something. Yeah, this point is very nice, sir. Right? So some point you are not getting, you can ask. Try everyone this problem. Everyone try. You may be thinking Reddy sir is a drinker and all. It's water, bhaiya. It's a pani. Pani also can't I drink. Drinking water is good for health. Right? Drink water instead of drinking some nonsense. Drink water. Beside me, there are 5 bottles of water. So I have to finish it up. Make it fast. This problem. Make it fast, this problem. I request everyone, make it fast, this problem. Try everyone. I will give answer. I will give answer. Try everyone. Try everyone. Yeah, I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. This problem, what is the answer? Can you see this? This problem, what is the answer? Can you see this? So one list is created. Okay. With a list, remember it is a list. So you can access the element using square bracket. List, you can access element using square bracket. That is the reason is accessing using square bracket. If it is a set, you cannot access. Set elements you cannot access using square bracket. You cannot access directly. Indirectly, there are so many approaches are there. Now let's go. So C1 you done. Okay, fine. It's the 0th element, first element, second element, third element. Okay, fine. Let's go to C2. Let's go to C2. If you go to the C2, I think exact copy. C1, C2, both are same. Next one. C3 is a shallow copy. Means one more copy created. But it is not deep copy, remember. It is not a deep copy, remember. So from where to where, see, starting point also unidimensional, ending point also unidimensional. Means everything will be copied. Right? One more new thing will be created. Right? One more new object will be created. So in that everything will be copied. Okay, C1, C2, C3. There are three people which contain same data, but C3 is a shallow copy, means independent copy. Shallow copy means independent. One more is created. One more created. One more object created. Okay, fine. So till now everything is fine, right? Three things you done, that's fine. So print C1, C2, C3, C1, right? Print C1. Same thing will be printed. Let us assume that. So I am giving shortcut. It may be learn, it may be quit, it may be practice, it may be contribute. So because of lack of space, I am using shortcut. So all will be printed. Okay, fine. L means learn. Those people who are watching, please be careful. It is not L. L means learn. Q means quit. P means practice. 3 means contribute. Okay, fine. These are things. So prints 2 comma 2 comma C2. Second printf also will print same. Third printf also will print same. Okay, fine. Till now, no one having objection. See the IDs also. See the IDs also. First one 1000. Second one also 1000 because of exact copy. But third one is different address 2000. If you want, you can execute also. Write program and execute. Write program and execute. If you want, you can execute the program also. Write program and execute. Now see this one. C2. C2 of 0 is equal to code. C2 of 0. C1, C2 same, na? C1, C2 same. C2 of 0 is equal to code. Let me check here. Let me check here. Let me check here. Everyone observe. Let me check here. C2 of 0. C2 of 0. That means this one is equal to, right, is equal to C2 of 0 is equal to, what should I write? Code. This one I have to write code. C2 of 0 is equal to code. That's perfect. Next one, C3 of 1 is equal to MCQ. C3 of 1, remember it is a copy. Copy. C3 means, right, it's a new object. In the C3, so let me write the C3. In the C3, this is the C3, na? 0th person, first person, second person, third person. Who changed? C3 of 1, this person, is equal to MCQ. It became MCQ. It became MCQ. Remaining people as it is. C3 of 1 is equal to MCQ. That is also okay. So remember, C1, C2 updated, 0th element, which is to code. C3 element is, I think first element is changed to MCQ. Okay, remaining all will be as it is. Remaining all, what are those? Here, right? Here, whatever is there, same, right? Learn is there, right? Quit is replaced by, right? MCQ. This is the practice. This is contribute. This is contribute. Okay, perfect. Till now, no one having any objection. L means lack of space. I written L. Right. Second one, right? I think first one MCQ. Previously quit they, now MCQ. So second one is going to be practice. Third one is going to be contribute. Okay. Until now you done. Now count is equal to 0. See, count is equal to 0. One variable you are taken. Count is equal to 0. Some people are asking, sir, where all the code is going on? Remember, no name means main. It is a main function. In the Python, there is no name means it is a main function. It's a main function. So please be careful. C is equal to 0. Okay. Now print 7 comma, print 7 comma C1. Print 7 comma C1. Try to understand. Print 7 comma C1. So C1 will be printed. C1, any changes are there? Of course. Now only you changed. So C1, if you observe now right here, previously learn is there, now code. Now remaining thing, here quit is there, quit. Remaining things, no change. Here practice is there, practice. Here contribute there, contribute. So like that is the thing. What about C2? Same will be there. What about C3? C3 different. C3 is different. So what is there? Here as it is, learn will be printed, but here MCQ will be printed. Here practice is as it is. Right? Here contribute is as it is. I want to say, right? Contribute, practice, next one is contribute. It is a practice. So like that will be there. It is a different copy. So in the new copy, first element replaced code by MCQ, remaining no change. Okay, until now 9 printfs we done. Until now 9 printfs you done. Until now 9 printfs you done. Now see the for loop. Right? You should know the for loop syntax. You should know the for loop syntax. Please be careful, everyone. You should know the for loop syntax. This one. So for C in, it is a in. Remember, there is no range function here. Remember, no confusion here. I discussed also with range, without range. With range, without range. See, this is without range. For C in, so in means there are 3 elements. You can take one by one element. It is not a range function. Simply in, right? For C in, right? So I think the first C is C1, second C is C2, third C is C3. Remember, for C in C1, C2, C3. So take the C1. So first C is C1. First I took this. So C is C1. Now what is the answer? C of 0 is equal to, remember, C means first C means C1. C of 0 means C1 of 0 is equal to code. Is it true? C1 of 0 is equal to code. Is it true? Yes. Yes. If it is true, print that. 10th printf, print that. Code is printed. Afterwards, C is equal to C plus 1. C became now 1. Right? Remember, you are going inside the for loop. Inside for loop is going on. For loop is until here. For loop is until here. Until here for loop. Until here for loop. So I think first if is true, you executed. But remember, second one is not also. It is also if only. Even though first one true, you execute second also. Right? If C1 of, right, C1 of 1 is equal to MCQ. C1 of 1 is equal to MCQ. No, it's a quit. So that is the reason. So second if it will not execute, because if it is a for loop, as usual, you will go to here. Now, next C is C2. Next C is C2. Please try to understand. Next C is C2. Now, C2 of 0 is equal to code. Yes, everyone knows C1, C2 exist in same. C2 of 0 is equal to code, true. Then again code will be printed. Again code will be printed. C is equal to C plus 1. It became 2. Now again you will try this one. C2 of 1 is equal to MCQ. No. So again, right, you will go to the for loop start. Now go there. Now third time C is C3. Third time C is C3. Now go here. C3 of 0 is equal to code. No. Let's go to second if. C3 of 1 is equal to MCQ, true. Then print MCQ first, print MCQ, then C is equal to C plus 10. It became 12. Now again you will go to the for loop is over, you come outside, print 12, count 12 will be printed. Count to 12 will be printed. So actually in this problem, the major one is this only. I want to explain actually this. In the right, in this problem, I want to explain this. So remember, whenever this for loop is running, this for loop is running 3 times. This for loop is running 3 times. 3 times if you observe, 3 values will print. If you run this for loop 3 times, 3 values will print. First time code will print. Second time also code will be printed. Third time MCQ will be printed. After completion of this for loop, 12 will be printed. After completion of this for loop, 12 will be printed. The purpose of this program is this for loop only. Remaining for your convenience, I said, what is shallow copy, deep copy, you know very well. We are already discussed in the, right? When our list data structure is going on, at that time we discussed also. When list data structure is going on, at that time we discussed also. Okay, perfect. So there is no name for this, right? By default, the main function. You no need to write. So, sir, in the print, every time in the print 1, 2, 3 were printing, yeah, that is only for our convenience. If you want, you can print also. I want to say 5th printf means this. I want to say 10th printf, isn't 10th printf? Yes. I want to say 12th printf, yes, this. Like that, I can easily point out. That is the reason I am printing a number also. Every print I given some number also, right? Fine, I hope everyone is fine. Now let's move to next problem. You got clarity? Let's move to next. Yeah, very good. Now see one small story. Everyone try to understand. See the small story. Example. See this one. S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Remember, it is a set. So set and dictionary both are having same kind of brackets, but in the dictionary pairs will be there. In the set there is no pair. Pair means colon will come. So inside this, if you observe, there is no colon. So both start with the this bracket, curly bracket, they both will start. But dictionary inside there is a colon. Between 2 elements, one colon will be there, separated by comma. But here there is no colon. So if you type now, type of yes, you will see set. Class is set. So in Python, everything is class only, everything is object only, because it is an object-oriented programming language. So S is equal to this. Okay, fine, that is okay. It is the 0th element, right? So S is equal to 1. Remember everyone, S is equal to this, right? Because of it the set, there is no order also. Anywhere it will store. 10 can store anywhere. You cannot give index also here. Because it is a set, right? You don't know, because of lack of order, right? 10 can go to anywhere. I cannot say 10, right? Element 10 index is 0. I cannot say this. That is the reason using square bracket, you cannot access it, right? If you try to access, print S of 2. If you try to access, you will get error. Remember, you will get error. It is the error. So I am making it as comment. It is error, remember. Okay, fine, that's okay. Then how to access it? You maybe say that, sir, how to access? Very simple. Say this one. For, careful everyone, for X in S. For X in S. Print X. So in the S, so many elements are there. Take one by one element. Every element is X now. Print X. It will print it. Now if you see the printf now, it will print one by one. 10 printed, 20 printed, 30 printed, 40 printed, 50 printed, something like that. This is the way how you can access. One more way I will say. One more way I will say. One more way I will say. Can you see this one? S is equal to same as this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Next one is going to be right. Let me write the name. Let me write the name. L is equal to list of S. So I converted the S into list that will store in the L. Now because of it became a list now. Because of it became a list now. Now you can print happily. Print L of 2. You can print L of 2. So whoever is the second element, it will be printed. So let us assume 0th one, first one, second one. 30 will be printed. It can print anything. It can print anything because that order is not correct. Any order it can come. So like that. So the purpose of this problem is how to print or how to access set elements. How to access set elements. How to access set elements. So I given few ways. One way is like this. One more way is like this. How to access set elements? Two ways are there. Maybe many ways. I given few. Just list of S you do, list format it will come. Remember, at any point of time, if you want to make list, you have something you want to make it as list. Just use the list function. List of S, then automatically, right? S will be converted into list format. S will be converted into list format. I hope everyone got. Let me know anyone having any objection. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Sir, ready, sir, I have this doubt. Please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Check one time. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Yeah, Aman is saying no problem. Okay, perfect. Perfect then. Now I will just say one thing. I will say one thing. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Just I will do small part of coding. Can you see one time? Can you see one time? So S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I am writing L is equal to list of S. Okay, that is also okay. Now afterwards print, because it became list, no? Print L. Now list printed. Now print L of 2. List element using square bracket you can access. Now can you run it? If you run this, what will happen? Can you see once? Let's see. Print L of 2. L of 2. I think, yeah, syntax problem. Now it's perfect. Now I think so. Now check. So two printfs are there. First printf list printed. See the list, our list printed. Actually elements are given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Those are the elements, right? So because of it, the set order no guarantee. Set no order guarantee. Set order guarantee not there. So I am writing here again. Set no order guarantee. Previously also I written. I am writing again. Set order no guarantee. In set order no guarantee. In set no order guarantee, right? That's how this is going on. Can you see this? That's how it is going on. See, so 0th place actually 10 there, but now when you are printing 50 came. But you can access now because of you converted into list format. Now you can access happily. You are able to access. You are able to access, right? So, and one more thing is set I converted into list. Let me check. Can I convert list into list? Already you have list. Can I convert list into list? Yeah, no issue. Already you have list. You are converting again into list. You are converting into again into list. There is no issue. But because of it is a list, na order guarantee. So because of list, order is guarantee. See, this is the order. Because of list, na order is guarantee. You are converting into one more list. You are converting into one more list. So same order only will be there. So 0, 1, 2. So 30 will be printed. 30 will be printed. So now let me check one small line. Let me check one small line. See this. Assume it is a string. Assume it is a string. Let me convert into list. Is it possible? See this. See correctly one time. What is going on? See correctly one time. I have a string. I have a string. I converted into list. Is it converting? Can you check once? I think if you observe clearly, first one is, right, in the string, first character is open bracket. Next one is 1. Next one is 0. Next one is comma. Next one is 2. Next one is 0. I think see every character he converted into 1, right? 1 person in the list. Exactly is converted. Now in that time, what is the second element? See this one. It is 0th person, is the first person, is the second person. 0 will be printed. So list converting string also. List converting set also into list. Right? String also into list. Set also into list. Right? Now I will do one more thing. Sir, can I convert in tuple also? Anything it will convert. Let's convert tuple. It is a tuple. Tuple bracket I get. Let's see. See this. Tuple also converted. Now, one small change I will do. In my opinion, it may not work out, but anyhow, who am I to comment? So let's see how it is. Dictionary I am converting. Is it possible? Let's see how it is going to be handled. Most probably, I am thinking error, but who am I to think? Right, so one dictionary I took. S is a dictionary. S is a dictionary. I converted into list. Let's see the effect. See this. Because of it is a pair, na? Because of pair, invalid syntax. Otherwise, let me check. Anywhere wrong happened. Anywhere wrong happened. It is saying that there is a wrong in the line number 1. Square bracket. Square bracket I kept, but actually curly bracket. Dictionary means curly bracket, na? Now let's see. By God grace, let's see. See this. What it is saying? Name A is not defined. Name A is not defined. Oh, yeah. Let me try. So I made it as string. Otherwise, A, B, C, D, you have to allocate some values before first. Now it may not having any issue. Yeah, I think everything I sorted out. Let's check. Yeah, now see this one. Dictionary. Dictionary also it is converting. Dictionary also it is converting. How it is converting? Let's check. Let's check here. L is equal to list of S. L is equal to list of S. I think he is neglecting after column whatever is there. After column whatever is there, it is neglecting. How it can be? L is equal to list of S. Print L. Yeah, let me check here one more thing. Print S also. I thought it is an error because it's column, pair is there. So I thought it is error, but it is giving some output. You can check once. First two dictionary is printed. Whatever dictionary is there, it is printed first. I converted into list format. then I think it's neglecting the values. It's neglecting values. Only keys it is printing. Only keys it is taking. Remember this. Remember this. Remember this. Because of it is a pair, how it will access? It is simply ignoring. It is simply ignoring the key value pair. Value it is ignoring. Value it is ignoring. Only keys it is taking. Instead of giving error, it is taking only keys. It is taking only keys. Right? Fine. So from this you please learn. From this you please learn. So I am writing also in the document. I am writing also in the document. See. Insert no order guarantee, and there is also one more thing. List of yes will convert, will create list for yes. This S may be string, S may be list, S may be tuple, S may be dictionary also. Actually, dictionary not possible, but dictionary also coming. But in dictionary, it will take only keys. Only keys it will take. Only keys it will take. Fine. So this is the second point. It is the first point, it is the second point. I give an example also. List of yes will create list for yes. Right? Yes may be string, yes may be list, yes may be tuple, yes may be dictionary. Right? Whatever we discussed, yes can be anything, but in the dictionary, pairs are there. It pairs how it is accommodating. Only keys it is taking. Only keys it will take. It is a very nice point. It may be useful while solving the problem. It will come. Please careful. I given the example also. Right? Small doubt also there. Please execute. Small doubt also there. Please execute. The reason why I am executing is when you have doubt, you can execute. When I have doubt, I am executing. When you have doubt, you can execute. Right? I hope everything is fine. Everyone is perfect here. Let's move to next one. These are the two nodes. These are the two nodes. Let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one. Yeah. Understand everyone? Everyone understand? Into. It's a immutable. You know very well. Immutable. Int is immutable. What is the type of A? Int is immutable, and if you see the type, class int, it will give as class int. It will say like this one. If I say type, it will say class int. It will type like that. Next one in the similar way. What about float? Remember, float also immutable. Type is going to be class float. Next one, if you go to complex, it is also immutable. You know very well. It is a class complex. That is also perfect. Next one, boolean, bool. It is also immutable. Bool, class bool. That is also okay. Next one, string. There is no string, str. Right? Str. It is also immutable. If you see the class, it will say str. Next one, list. Next one, list. So everyone know list is mutable. That is the thing what you have to take care. Mutable. List is mutable. It will say class list. Class list. Remember, there is no type called character. There is no type called character. Please try to understand. There is no type called character. Next, list is like that. And one more, tuple. Tuple is immutable, you know very well, because it's something related to database, immutable. Yeah, I thought, yeah, let me remove it. Tuple. That is also okay. Next one is set. Set is going to be, you know very well, set is mutable. Set is mutable. That's what we are discussing. Set is mutable because I think you may say that's how it is mutable. Set is mutable. How, sir? In the yesterday's class we discussed. I will show also. Add function, remove function is there. Because of that it became. So see this one. Add and remove function because of them. Right? Set can grow also. Set can shrink also. When you can say you can increase, you can decrease, it became a mutable. See, because of these things it became a mutable. Because of these things it became a mutable. It can grow also, it can shrink also based on which function you are using. If you use remove function, it will shrink. If you use the add function, it will grow. Because of this reason it became a mutable. Right? Fine. So it is a mutable. Type is going to be class set. Next one, I think dictionary. Dictionary, you know very well, that is also mutable. Dictionary. It is mutable. DICT, dict, means dictionary. So what I will do is, I will swap it. I will swap it. So that all the immutable things are in one place. I will swap it. Which one I have to swap? Tuple I have to keep here. Tuple is immutable because of something related to database. Now next one, list. It's mutable. So class list. Okay, fine. Now I can write one line also in between. Yeah, please take care about this table. This table, see, in the mutable, we can change. We can grow, we can shrink. It will not change. No change. It can grow also, shrink also. Grow also, shrink also. And one more thing, same data, because of mutable, na? Same data. Same data. Then what happened? Same data. Then what happened? Same reference. Next one, here, same data. Different. Yeah, I think there may be a power problem. That may be the reason it came. Let's check. Right, so because of power issue, yeah, I may be stopping here. I may be stopping here. Right, in the tomorrow's class, we'll discuss the remaining things. In tomorrow's class, we'll discuss the remaining things. Okay? In tomorrow's class, I will discuss the remaining things. Perfect? Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Yes? Yes or no? Yeah, perfect then. Yeah, because of I think power problem. Otherwise, I would have continued. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Because I'm unable to share the screen. It will be there in some other laptop, right? Some other screen is there. I have to share it. So that laptop also that desktop also required power. Some issue coming. Sharing problem is coming. Yeah. Anyhow, we'll see in the next class. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Bye.